When it comes to health claims, the supplements can use the FDA-approved health claims, and they have to word them carefully to make sure. Well, let's look at what they have to make sure they're not saying. Here are some examples of permissible and prohibited claims, and let's kind of look at them side by side. The supplement may not say that it reduces the pain and stiffness associated with arthritis. It may say that it promotes relaxation. And it's possible that someone would buy this supplement thinking that promoting relaxation is the same thing as reducing pain and stiffness. It may not say that it is a laxative, but it can say that it promotes regularity. I'm guessing that someone who's constipated wants to be regular and might assume that promotes regularity is the same thing as being a laxative. Are you kind of getting my drift? The supplement is prohibited from saying prevents Alzheimer's disease, but is allowed to say reduces absent-mindedness. It may not say it's an antiviral, but it may state that it supports the immune system. It may not state that it's an antidepressant, but it may state that it reduces frustration or rejuvenates. So these are some examples of prohibited and permissible claims. This is the label of a probiotic. It states what the serving size is and what is contained. What it does not state is the percent daily value, because that has not been established for Lactobacillus GG. But this was the interesting part to me. Inside this box, it says, these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. These two sentences must be on every supplement. I'm pretty sure folks buy supplements because they want to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent a disease. If there are any adverse events, any side effects, first of all, you might not know what a side effect is of taking a particular supplement, again, because it's not required to tell you what those adverse events or side effects might be. But there is a number that you can call to report your concerns. What you should know is that the company is not required to report this information to the FDA. Herbs. These are dietary supplements made of ground up plant material or extracts that can be prepared and sold in capsules, as tinctures, or as teas. Examples include echinacea, ginkgo biloba, ginseng, and St. John's wort. Essential and non-essential vitamins are organic compounds that are integral structural components of enzymes or coenzymes in the body. You may remember that. What I'm not sure about is the non-essential vitamins. Most vitamin pills contain essential vitamins, but non-essential vitamins are made in the body. So why are they trying to sell them to folks? Because they haven't taken nutrition classes, I guess. Minerals are inorganic elements found naturally in the earth. Most standard mineral supplements contain the essential minerals, but some also contain non-essential minerals that, well, if they're non-essential, we don't really need them, but they're marketing them to improve health or functions. And some of those non-essential minerals include vanadium and boron. Nutritional substances are chemical compounds that have been extracted from foods, and then they're processed, concentrated, and often found in capsules. They are advertised as having a variety of effects, from improving many discomforts of medical conditions to enhancing sports performance. A few examples are glucosamine, chondroitin, and creatine. Then we have glandulars. These are supplements that contain hormones. Very few glandulars can be sold over the counter, which makes me wonder where folks get them from. Well, no, I know where they get them from. Online. Popular examples include melatonin and DHEA. Melatonin may actually have an effect for some people in terms of improving their sleep, but DHEA, not so much. If you look at this facts panel on the right for some glandulars, if you look at the ingredients, raw pineal tissue concentrate, raw pituitary concentrate. We also have fiber. You know from this semester what dietary sources of fiber are and what some of the functions of fiber are. We know fiber is indigestible portions of food that don't get absorbed into the body and therefore are excreted. So what we're looking at here on the right is a fiber supplement, what is maybe called functional fiber, something that's added to food, not naturally found in the food. And in this case, we're looking at gummy bear fibers, so they are not found in any food. Functional fiber may provide a beneficial gastrointestinal effect and promote health, and that's the claim it's allowed to make. Some examples of functional fibers include what are called fructooligosaccharides, flaxseed, lignans, and psyllium. Then we have enzymes or digestive aids. These are suggested to improve many complications of poor digestion, commonly seen in the elderly and what are referred to as stressed individuals. But I don't know what that stress is. And you know what happens to enzymes when they reach the stomach. Enzymes are proteins, and once they hit the gastric acid found in the stomach, they're broken up into amino acids. Let's have a reality check, folks. In October 2012, the Department of Health and Human Services issued a report describing the FDA's regulatory authority. The Dietary Supplement and Health Education Act does not require manufacturers to submit dietary supplements to the FDA for safety or approval prior to sale. As a result, the FDA has no comprehensive list of dietary supplements that are out there on the market. The dietary supplement manufacturers must ensure that their products are safe. They have evidence to substantiate the structure-function claims and that the product labels are truthful and are not misleading. This information is all left up to the manufacturer. In other words, the fox is guarding the hen house. So to summarize, there are many laws and agencies governing food and supplements. If you're going to take a supplement, please know what you're doing. Remember, rigorous scientific testing is not required or mandated by the FDA on these nutritional supplements. Become familiar with product certification insignias. Make sure that those are on the supplements that you purchase. Look for credible publications that support the safety and efficacy of your supplement.